Hey everybody, this is Nehemiah Boy Wonder. Welcome to my lab. We're making bath bombs. Anicca over here is my assistant. And don't forget to put on your safety thing.
Oh, okay.
That's
All right.
a handshake.
We're making bath bombs today from Science Academy. Are you ready, Nehemiah?
Yes.
Boy Wonder?
Find what we used in the experiment. Look in the description box below. Now back to the experiment.
Bicarbonate.
This is sodium bicarbonate.
Okay. It's also known as baking
Soda.
Yeah. Okay, so how many scoops of that do we need?
1,
2, 3, 4.
Ooh.
Okay.
4. Ooh, that feels super soft, doesn't it?
Yeah. Ready? 1,
1, guys.
2.
2.
Let's make sure we get full scoops.
3.
Good job. 4. Great job, dude.
Can I feel it? Some of
Sure.
it?
What does it feel like?
It feels like sandy beach on the island.
Next step is we're gonna add,
3 or 2 drops of this.
well, what does it say in your
We're
instructions?
gonna put 2 drops of this one.
2 scoops of cornstarch.
I
Don't
think
get too much.
cornstarch.
Ooh.
Oh,
Oh no, we made a mess.
we're just gonna.
Okay, we're just gonna pretend that didn't happen and we'll start over from the.
I'm sorry, guys.
We're gonna do 2 scoops of cornstarch.
Too much.
There you go, that's good. 1,
Whoa, cornstarch feel way much sandier.
way softer.
Way softer.
We'll do a little bit less this time.
Oh, just flick it all.
That's okay, yeah.
Okay, how much do we get?
Just 2.
Just do.
That's the second one. Sir, please dump it. That was 2 scoops of cornstarch.
Cornstarch, and now we're gonna get citric acid really quick.
Okay, so what do we know about citric acid?
You do not touch that or touch them in your eyes.
Whatever you call it, citric acid or anything.
You don't touch citric
Get
acid.
a parent or guardian to help.
Be very careful and get
2 drops?
2 scoops.
Oh shoot. I hope I be good.
Here, let me help you get it in there and then you can dump it, okay?
Okay. You get it, I'll dump it.
Listen, in lab, we always clean up as we go, okay?
Okay.
That was 2 scoops.
Scoops of citric acid.
Can you do this one? How many drops of glycerin?
30.
Great job. Add 30 drops.
Yes, ma'am, indeed.
Let's do it together so we don't do it too fast. 1, 2,
1,
3.
2, 4, 5, 6,
7, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Perfect.
You can use gloves if you want, but I'm using my bare hands because I wanted to. So I'm gonna put 2 drops of vanilla. I hope vanilla doesn't get out my hands. 1. Now do we stir it?
Yes, sir.
With
Now,
the spoon?
now tell them that you. Nope. Let's use a tongue depressor. So now,
What's a tongue dispenser?
a tongue depressor is this. It's what doctors use when they look in your mouth. They go, and they look with a flashlight. Okay.
Okay, now we have to stir it. Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Stirring. You can put more items in there if it looks kind of bluish. Now we're gonna pinch it to see if it stays together.
All right, let's see. When you squeeze it, does it seem like it stays?
No siree.
Yeah, it does. Look, it stays as a clump. All right, now we're gonna fill up our molds. So what do we have on this mold?
We have a star, a boat, a queen.
All right. So let's scoop some out into your mold.
That's my
I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna help you just smooth it over.
Now we have to let these sit. Luckily, we made a star ahead of time so I can try this one out.
And drop it in. Oh wow, what do you see? What's your observation?
It fizzed up, guys, and blew away. I was too late.
This is a chemical reaction. Do you see the bubbles?
And I feel citric acid.
The bubbles are carbon dioxide. That's a gas that happens when you mix an acid. Which was your acid?
Citric acid.
Great job. And your base was your baking soda.
Baking soda.
And so when you mix them together, you get a chemical reaction.
Bye guys, I'm about to put one bath bomb in there. Ooh, ooh.
Oh my God.
This is Nehemiah Boy Wonder. See you next time, baby.
Thanks for watching Nehemiah Boy Wonder. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.